friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about 3i Infotech Limited. So last 2 days back, I updated on this stock. I told you when the stock was falling. I told very clearly that the NCLT sanction for SOA was happen, scheme of arrangement was happen, and this is a good news. On the first video, I told that this is a good news, and there will be the price will be soon from there. I already told you, and after that, I made another video with a detailed explanation of SOA, and I show you the NCLT order also on that day. So and I made a detailed study how we are getting benefited on that. So kindly watch this video for more information, so you will get it. And in this video, if you are watching that particular video, in that very clearly I told you when it was trading at 8.80 in the lower circuit, on that day it was closed, and I told there will be a bounce back will happen. So while we are coming here, you can see here that bounce back was happened here. So while we are coming to the trading history for that last trading section, if you see, it's a NSE price. So in the NSE, actually what happened, you can see in the morning, this was open as flat. You can see here, there was almost 8.7. It came up to around 8.7. Then we have seen the bounce back already we seen. And while we are going to close this is closed at 8.90. 8.90 it is close, so it means it's a very positive trend here. It was happen. So you can see here total almost 2 crore shares are traded. Out of that, 54% taken delivery on that particular day. So this is what I told you, because the SOA is a perfect a beneficial thing for all the retailers. So we have to utilize that. That's only thing. So how we are going to utilize that, that will make us wealthy. So I already explained you. So how the SOA will work, because the first, there are two part in that. The first part will be, you can see here, the reduction of proposed from RS10 to RS1 share, then consolidation of share into RS10. That means the face value, the proportion will happen is, first they will change from face value 10 to face value 1. That is a capital reduction. So currently the market cap, the share capital is 1162. So that will become 162. So again, what they will do is, so it will be 1 by 10. So what they will do is, again they will consolidate the share face value 1 to face value 10. So currently there are one 162 crore shares are there. That will become 16.2 16.5 crore shares. So here we are going to benefit on that. Already I explain you on that particular video how we are going to be get benefited on this. So try to watch that video. So try to understand how the capital reduction and the consolidation is going to happen in 3A Infotech, and surely you will get benefited on that. So this is an excellent share. For the meantime, try to grab the share. So if you are holding 3A Infotech, please don't look into any loose stocks what is happening in the market, especially in money control forum. Just forget about that. Please try to hold the share. You will become you will get multifold return on the coming day. So I am recommending this 3A Infotech from 6.60 level, and currently we are at 8.85. So almost 130 percentage we are, and surely our target is very high. I am not telling you the target right now. It will be around 80 plus, because after consolidation this will open at around 88 89 level, because that will be calculated from the day of the cutoff date. From the cutoff date, what is the current that LTP will be there, that will be multiplied by 10. Maybe sometime it will be 120 also may happen, because if it is closing on that particular day, if it is closing on 12 rupees, it will be multiplied by 10 will be there. So that we cannot predict it now, and surely our target will be after consolidation. There will be around 450 to 900 the share will be traded. So maybe after 1 or 2 years. So please hold the share. This is an excellent stock. For the meantime, please don't leave 3A Infotech. It's an excellent stock. So thank you very much for watching video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. So kindly watch these two videos to understand more about the